Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 10th video in Learn Django 2.1. In the previous video we have learned about Django shells. So in this video I want to show you how you can use templates in Django, how you can do templating in Django. So first of all, let me run my server. Let me make it smaller. Resize it. Okay, now first of all I'm going to change my directory cd to my project, and after this python manage.py run server. Now my server, my development server will be start. I think I will get error for this, and now let me first, and after that I will say that why. No, I haven't received an error. I think, yeah, I have received error because I'm using a MySQL database, so I need to start my web server first. So I'm going to start my web server, and after that I can run this. If you're not using MySQL database, then there will not be any problem, it will run. But for example, if you're using SQLite 3, there is no problem. But if you're using another databases, in the first you need to start that database. So now my web server is going to be started. Let me create a new session, and again change directory to my project. Now python manage.py run server. Now there will be no problem and my server will be started. Now I'm waiting. Okay, now this is my, let me copy this URL and paste it in my browser and paste it in here. Okay, now how you can use templates in Django. So let me now, yeah, this is our index page, and if I go to the contact, this is contact page, and about, this is about page. Now for using HTML templates in Django, in your project directory in here, in here, you need to create a new folder or directory like this, and I'm going to call it templates. Make sure that it is templates and click on OK. And after this, now I'm going to add an HTML file. Right click, file, and I'm going to call it home.html like this. Okay, now let me just close these files because I don't need these files. Okay, now in here I'm going to create HTML tags. Okay, HTML, and a head tag, not okay. Also this was head, and also I need a body tag in here like this. Okay, now I have my HTML template. Now in here just give a title, and I'm going to learn Django 2.1. okay, and in the body I'm going to make an h1 tag, this is home page. Okay, now this was our home page, and now how you can add or render your this HTML template. So if you remember from the previous videos, and if I open my views, you can see in here we have rendered just a simple HTML, but now we are going to render a template for this. Now just remove this HTTP response because we don't need. Let me remove this, and now in here you can simply return render, and the render takes 3 parameters. The first one is request, like this, and the second parameter is the template name that you're going to give. For example, my template name is home.html, like this, and the last one is the context. Right now I'm going to just give in here I'm going to create a context, but I will talk about the context in the later videos, and I'm going to give it in here context. Okay, now if I refresh this my page, my home page, okay, template does not exist because we need to add another step in here. So after creating your templates folder, our Django application does not know about this template directory folder. So you need to open your settings.py. Where is it? My settings.py, and my project in here, and in the templates in here, if you see we have a there's. Now in here you can add your template path, os path dot join, and we are going to give it base dir, and your template name, template folder name, templates, it's templates. Okay, like this. Now if I save this and if I refresh this, okay, it will not work because I should restart the server. Let me just create a new session, close this session and create a new session, and I'm going to cd change directory to my project and python manage.py run server. Now it's going, just wait. Okay, now I'm going to just refresh this. Yeah, you can see now this is our homepage. This is our, if I change, for example, let me just show you. If I change my home HTML, this is homepage from templates, and if I refresh this, you can see this is homepage from templates. Okay, now let me just copy this and create 2 more templates because I want to add these for my contact and about. So file contact.html, and I'm going to add this. Just change this, okay, give it learn Django 2.1 and just change this to this is contact. Okay, and let me just create another template in here. This is about, oh sorry, let me just cancel this because just remove it and do refactor. Okay, now file, I'm going to call it about.html. Just copy this and change this to this is about. Okay, and after this, open your views.py. Now in here, just we are going to copy this, and let me just copy and paste it in here. Change this to contact.html, and this is about.html. okay, and also I think you don't need to this request. Let me just remove this because I have in here. Okay, no, I think I have leaked this. Okay, let me just I will check that. Now if I refresh this and if I go to the contact, you can see this is contact, and if I go to the about, this is about. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, please subscribe to my channel and also like the videos.